Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So I just wanted to tell you what I got up to a little bit last week. So last week I went on a pilgrimage with a charity. It's an environmental awareness charity called the Coat of Hopes. And what they do is they basically have this big long coat and they walk it from place to place, so town to town, all around the country, and they do this for environmental awareness. And every town that they stop off at, people will sew a patch onto the coat, and then it will continue on its journey around the country. And they've been doing it for a really long time. They're an excellent group of people, and it was really, really good working with them. Now, I like working with charities for a number of different reasons. It's not just about the working with them and sort of getting stuff out there for people, and I like that side of things. That's great, but it's also good for optics when it comes to business. So you can also think of it as if you connect with like a local charity that's quite popular or that is doing something which is really good that you agree with. It's really good to have that connected to your business because it will basically help people who are local, who are part of the charity, who like the charity. They'll come in and see that you like the charity and that you recommend people check it out. They'll see all of this kind of stuff. It gives you stuff for your social media. It's really, really good business wise, and people will also potentially come from the charity to you. So it's really, really good to connect and start working with local charities. I absolutely love it and I highly recommend it. And it's so much fun when you get involved in all of this stuff, and it gives you something really, really good and positive to put on your profiles. There are literally no real downsides apart from the fact that sometimes it takes a little bit of time, maybe a little bit of money, maybe a little bit of effort. But when it comes down to it, those are things that you shouldn't necessarily be focusing on. Just focus on the positives, work with charities, and enjoy the process of doing it. You can write a blog on doing it. You can get stuff out there and do it. It's really, really beneficial. So anyway, I hope you have a lovely day. I hope this has been helpful to you. You take care and definitely consider working with charities. Catch you later. Bye.